Catalyst Clinical Services has been empowering healthcare professionals for more than 20 years. With a legacy of excellence and the trust of over 12,000 professionals worldwide, we continue to shape future leaders in the clinical research domain. From learners to leaders, gain the edge. Start strong with the Professional Diploma in Clinical Research, PDCR, now available at 9,999 Indian rupees only. Build your foundation. Learn industry-relevant skills and stand out from the rest. Master drug safety, reporting and advance your expertise in pharmacovigilance through our Professional Certificate in Pharmacovigilance, PCPV, now at 9,999 Indian rupees only. Take your research communication to the next level with our Advanced Certificate Program in Scientific Writing, now available for 11,999 Indian rupees only. Step into leadership with our Advanced Certificate Program in Project Management, now at 11,999 Indian rupees only. Gain the skills to manage studies, teams, and timelines with confidence. Gain real-world field expertise with our Advanced Certificate Program in Clinical Trial Monitoring, now at 11,999 Indian rupees only. Master the skills to ensure precision, compliance, and quality in every trial. Advance your expertise in one of the most impactful areas of clinical research. Specialize in cutting-edge, life-saving research with our Oncology Clinical Trials Training, now available for 13,999 Indian rupees only. With us you get flexible learning with round-the-clock expert academic support. Access interview-specific content and stand out with a stronger CV. From foundation to specialty-level certifications, Catalyst leads the way. Join a legacy of excellence empowering professionals. Don't miss out. Make the most of these offers. Enroll today and save big. Call on +91 9818356273 or visit www.catalystclinicalservices.com.